What I've learned here, the most important thing has to be like just the fundamentals. It's why we do the things we do. You can learn how to do recipes, how to do techniques, how to do various methods, but without understanding why, you don't get the full picture. You don't get a really rich understanding baking, what it is as a science, as an art. And that's been so fundamental. Every teacher, every chef that I've had here has really hammered that home and has taken the time to explain all the little things.
Is it not? Oh?
I don't know. Can we fix this?
Bakers who want to start their own specialty business or take on commercial management roles can learn the skills they need at Vancouver Island University. Hello, my name is Rita Gower and I am the chair of the new Baking and Pastry Arts Management Diploma program here at Vancouver Island University. The 2-year full-time program provides students with advanced bakery instruction and the business planning and financial management training needed to allow graduates to move successfully into administrative positions or start their own commercial ventures.
I think one of the most amazing things is that within the first 2 weeks, we move from being like home bakers or hobbyists or whatever experience we come in with to professional bakers. The mindset is there right away. As soon as we walk in the door, we start to learn.
In the first year of the program, students learn the fundamentals of baking, safe operation of commercial kitchen appliances, efficient food production practices, pastry making, advanced bread making techniques, baking in a wood-fired brick oven, and the knowledge and techniques for working with chocolate. This is an exciting time to be learning about baking. Here on the West Coast, there's a real renaissance towards more artisan-style baking, which is what we teach in our program.
The chefs have been my favorite part of it. They have a lot of knowledge, they've worked all over, they've mastered their craft, and just learning all these little things that you would never be able to find on the internet.
The thing that I found most valuable is the expertise of these chefs. Just getting to talk to the chefs and getting to know them, understanding their experience, their careers, and being able to have that kind of mentorship experience.
In year 2, students will take advanced pastry courses, providing them with level 2 technical training towards a Baker Red Seal certification. They will also plan and open a pop-up bakery and take a number of business courses that give them crucial skills to managing a kitchen or business, including human resource administration, accounting, and marketing through VIU's Department of Hospitality Management.
Here, I'm doing something real, something practical with my hands. I get to make food for other people to enjoy, and thanks to this, I have something I can do. It's a hard skill. I can take it anywhere. I actually have already gotten a job in a bakery where I'm doing lamination and other things other skills that I've really gained from this experience, this program, and I would be happy doing that for the rest of my life.
If you feel like professional baking might be the career for you, look no further than Vancouver Island University. We would love to have you come and join us in our programs.